Here we go. We've got a remote. So here we go. Let's see. Back. Map. Menu. Navigate to. So click the center button there. Navigate to. This home, recent destination, point on map, address. So we'll click across to address. Click the center, city and street, postcode. We want postcode. So it's one with numbers and letters. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, P, R, and then up to 5. There's only 2 digits in the code, so we'll just see if it'll take 4 next rather than a space. Yep, it's taking 4, and then JS, J, S. Now that's done. Done's down here, so that's the angle there. The angle there. So click done. It's asking me for a house number. I'll put 200 in. That's not right. 200 and then done again. So again, we click this right one. To go back, you click the left button there. Roads change all the time, so continue. It's looking for the fastest route. That's it. Click done again. It's telling me the battery in the remote's low, but so that's it. That's it done.